A light? A lamp.
Book.
Yeah, that boy's reading a book.
No.
Ooh, I see a fish muffin.
Ball.
Ball.
Oh,
Can you sign fish?
dear.
What's that? Yeah, a chair.
Baba.
Your bum?
Baba.
Are you signing diaper? Maybe.
Baby.
Yeah, baby's crawling. Hi, baby. Ah, do you love your new book? You're hugging those babies. That's what he's doing, huh? He's eating his fingers. Shoes. Those are blue. Yeah, he's in bed. A bike. Ball. And I see a bunny rabbit. Where's the bunny? That's a pear. Where's the bunny? There's a bunny. Look. Hi, bunny. Yeah, that's a pear. That's a flower. 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 You signed it on your nose. Flower.